In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add multiple accounts on Threads. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is hop into Instagram real quick. And if you're on your profile and then you tap your profile name at the top with the drop down arrow, you want to make sure that on your Instagram account, you're actually logged into multiple accounts. So you can select that account when you go ahead and add a new one to Threads. Okay, so you can see I have multiple here. So that's cool. So what I can do now is I can go into Threads, and then all I need to do is, if you're on the home page, just hit your profile icon at the bottom right, and then you can see this icon right over here. You want to tap on that lines icon, and then you just want to hit this log out button, which is right at the bottom. So I'm going to log out and then log out again. Okay, so once I've logged out, you can see here's the logged in account from Instagram that I was logged into Threads with, but there below that it says switch accounts. So tap on switch accounts, and now it pulls all the logged in Instagram accounts that I'm logged into. So I can select another account, and that's just loading up real quick. And because I haven't logged into Threads with this one, I can just click on import from Instagram. Okay, cool. Then go continue, make it a public profile, and then follow one person, and then hit the arrow at the top. And then just hit join Threads. Okay, that's just also going to load up real quick. And if I just go to that profile, here it is. This is the second account I have on Threads now. So that's how I've added multiple accounts on Threads. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.